What is up, YouTube? My name is Katelyn Macias. I'm a freelance photographer and videographer, and today we're going to talk about how to market yourself, how to find clients, and other ways to make money from photography. So let's not waste any time and jump right into it. So, point number one, how to find clients. It's really as simple as word of mouth. The more people you tell, the more likely you are to get more clients. If you're in line waiting for a coffee and you hear someone talking about they need photos, blah, blah, boom. Hey, I'm a photographer, here's my business card, I got you. Tell your family members, tell your friends. I mean, if all your friends know you're a freelance photographer and they hear their friends or they hear their family talking about it, they might be like, hey, I actually know a photographer. 2 of my gigs so far, which have been a combined total of $1,000, have been somebody that I know telling someone else, like, hey, I have a friend, her name's Katelyn, and she's a really good photographer. Tell as many people as you can what you do. Spread the word. Point number 2. People you already know. Friends, family photo shoots, weddings, engagements, birthday parties. People are always needing photos or videos. So friends, family, don't feel awkward to charge them. This is your business, this is your living, this is your career. If they were a doctor and you needed surgery, pretty sure they're going to charge you for the surgery. So don't feel awkward, don't feel uncomfortable. It's honestly just business. You can give them discounts if you want. Trust me, it's something I had to get over and kind of work through. And I still am a little bit, but don't be afraid to charge family. Point number 3, apps. Facebook. There's a ton of work on Facebook. People are always posting, I need a photographer, I need a videographer, this day, blah, 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 blah. Scroll on Facebook, join a couple groups, find work. There's also another app called Thumbtack, and I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that. I just really love this app. Boom. Thumbtack. And basically, people reach out to you or you can reach out to people, and it's all photography, videography. There's even like graphic editing. I don't know why I said graphic editing. Graphic design on there, things like that. So far I have 3 leads. One is actually confirmed. It's a $350 event, and she hired me. She already gave me a $100 deposit. Now, the only downside of this app is you do have to pay for every lead. For example, for the $350 event, I did have to pay $7, but they always tell you what the price of the lead is. Anyways, Facebook, Thumbtack, freelance or freelancer, things like that. Get online, utilize apps, utilize websites, find clients. This last point isn't a specific point, but just 2 really good areas and locations to look for. Churches. A lot of churches love and need photographers for worship nights, events, baptisms. I got paid $300 to shoot pictures at a baptism, and it was a ton of fun. I saw lives being changed. It was a great experience. So churches, great option. Ask around, see if they need a photographer, talk to some churches. Another one is schools. Going around to different schools and taking pictures, like yearbook pictures, things like that. Also categorized under school as graduation photos. This might not necessarily be through the school, but if you go to a school and hand out a bunch of students business cards, or as they're walking home, you walk up to them and hand them business cards and whatnot, or tell them like, hey, I'm a photographer in case you guys need any graduation photos. That is probably going to get you some clients. So target churches, target schools / students. That's all I have for how to find clients. I can tell you from personal experience, those ways have all been very, very effective for me. They have all worked. Give them a shot, see how they work out for you. Moving on to how to market yourself. This kind of goes hand in hand with how to find clients, because if you can't market yourself, you're not going to find clients, and the better you market yourself, the more clients you'll find. So how to market yourself. Number 1, and I cannot stress this enough, business cards. These are from Staples. I got 500 business cards for $20. All it takes is 1 client and you'll make all your money back. I got a $200 music video filmed from 1 business card. The business cards were only $20 and I got 1 client from them. That's all you need to make all your money back. So they are definitely worth an investment. This is my business card on the back here. Photo film, which is how I brand myself. So I made up my own brand, photo film. That's my logo, colorful camera, the O or lenses, boom. And then the front here has like just a little camera lens and whatnot, and it has all my information. So it says photo film at the top, Katelyn Macias under it, photographer, videographer, my phone number, my email, and my Instagram. So super cute. That literally took me like 20 minutes. Go on the Staples website, customize your own business card. You can upload pictures or choose from one of their thousands of pictures. I just chose one of their images. $20, go pick it up, boom, 500 business cards. Now, why would you need a business card? One, it gives people your information in a professional manner. Imagine you were talking to someone, you're like, oh, give me your phone, I'll give you my number, and we can talk about a photo shoot. I don't know, it doesn't really seem very professional if you ask me. Plus, some people might think that's kind of weird. Anyways, another reason to get business cards is you can walk around to houses and just put them in people's mailboxes. If you put 500 business cards in 500 mailboxes, what are the chances that just one person would need a photographer or a videographer or know someone who needs a photographer or videographer? So the chances are pretty high. Again, just one person and you'll be making all your money back. Another way you can utilize business cards, go into different businesses, especially like local small businesses, give them 20 of your business cards, ask them if they can put them out front. People go pick up their food, people go to check out, they see a little business card there. Oh, what's this? Oh, photography, videography. Well, I need a photographer. Let me email this person. Let me text them. Let me look at their work on social media. Basically what I'm trying to say, business cards, very, very useful. Didn't think it would be, but they really are. There's also something called a dot card. And again, I'm not sponsored by Staples or Dot. I just think these are great tools and I want to tell you guys about them. The dot card, super cool. It's like a credit card and you tap it on the back of somebody's phone. I don't have mine with me right now. It's in the car. Don't really feel like going downstairs to go get it. Call me lazy. I'm sorry. Smack it on the back of someone's phone and it also has a barcode in case they don't have that feature. All of your social media, email, YouTube, whatever you want pops up on their phone. After someone scans your card, this is basically what it would look like. So kind of like a link tree. If you guys don't know what that is, you need to go make one. So here, this is what pops up. See, I have my little profile picture, photo film at the top there. Katelyn Macias, photographer, videographer. So I have my phone number, email, my website, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube all in one place. Somebody scans it, this pops up, they can click on it. Let's say I click on TikTok. It takes them to TikTok, my page. They can follow me, like my stuff. So dot cards, business cards. Third one, website. Why is a website so great? Number one, you can have your portfolio on there. People want to see your photos before they hire you. They want to see if you're good. They want to see if they like your style. Having a portfolio, extremely important. If you don't have one, get one. Let's say you're talking to someone and they don't seem very interested. If you send them your portfolio and they love your pictures, they might be like, dang, maybe I do want to hire her. A website also just makes you look professional. If people type in Google photographer near me, your website might pop up. If you don't have a website, how are people supposed to know you exist? If you want to find more clients, you need to get as much stuff out on the internet as possible. Point number 4, to market yourself, social media. Maybe you're not a social media person, maybe you don't really know how to use it. Learn. I ended up getting TikTok because it is a great marketing tool. I post some videos on there, I post some of my photographs. I haven't gotten any business from TikTok yet, but you know what? You never know. And I actually know people who do get business from TikTok. They post their videos and somebody sends them a message and says, hey, I see you're in my area. Can you do a video for me? Can you take pictures for me? So you never know. Sometimes you could get business from TikTok. Instagram is kind of like an online portfolio. A lot of people value Instagram. I know people who go on Instagram to look for their wedding photographers, their wedding videographers. They don't even go to Google. They just go to Instagram and type in wedding photographer. So make sure your Instagram looks professional, looks clean, your photos are good, they're edited, they're organized. Make sure your Instagram is beautiful. Make sure somebody goes to your Instagram and they will say, you know what, I want to hire this person. So polish your Instagram. YouTube, post any commercials you film, weddings, music videos, highlights, reels for sports. If you're a wedding videographer, post all your wedding videos on YouTube. That way when people go to search for wedding photographer and videographers, your wedding videos pop up. Anything you videograph, post it on YouTube because you never know what's going to attract people. You never know what's going to get someone to want to reach out to you and hire you for work. And point number 3, guys, how to make money from photography. Kind of other ways that don't include somebody hiring you to take pictures or videos of them. Selling your presets. If you have really good Lightroom presets, sell them. Make them into a little bundle, sell them online. If you don't know how to do that, Google or YouTube it. There's tons of videos out there. I feel like that one's pretty self-explanatory, so I'm not going to spend too much time on it. The second one, you can create a course or even just some teaching content and also sell that. Let's say you're really, really good at taking sports photos. Create a little 15, 20 video course and sell it to people on how to take sports photos. Or you can go more extreme and do photography basics, things like that. But creating courses, creating teaching content, people are always trying to teach themselves. I'm self-taught, to be honest. I just watched YouTube and read Google things. Point number 4, which I kind of already touched on, but YouTube channel. YouTubers make a ton of money. Start creating some content, maybe you get famous. Point number 5, I think I'm on 5, ambassador programs. Sometimes you can do small ambassador programs like local companies or small companies, and sometimes there's bigger ones. Like GoPro has an ambassador program. From what I've heard, it's actually not the greatest considering their cameras are really expensive, so you literally have to get people to spend hundreds and thousands of dollars. But just look into different ambassador programs. Like I said, there's some really good ones in there. And if you have a YouTube channel and you're part of an ambassador program, just put a link in the description, talk about it in the video, and maybe somebody will click on your link and buy something and you get commission from it. So affiliate programs and ambassador programs, look into those, join them. You don't have anything to lose, so just join as many as you can. Put all of those links in your YouTube descriptions, put it in your Instagram bio and your link tree like I talked about, your dot card. Get those links out there, send it to friends and family. Make some commission, make some extra money. Point number 6, do freelance work for magazines. National Geographic, they don't really have photographers. They decide they're gonna write a piece on elephants in Africa. They hire a photographer to go take pictures of elephants in Africa. It's not like they have photographers on staff. They hire freelance photographers to go do this type of work. So look into magazines. I know there's some apps that are looking for photographers in various locations to do like street photography and stuff to kind of advertise for the city. Clothing brands usually looking for photographers and models and whatnot. Point number 7. I think this one is huge and it's my personal favorite way of making money. Stock photography. So why do I like this one so much? It's fast. You gather a couple items, you go out and take pictures of whatever, you go and edit them. All you need is a couple pictures, 5, 10 photos, super fast, super easy. I've done a ton of stock photography just in my own house. For example, on dining room table, it's a wooden table. I got my laptop, I got a book, I got a cup of coffee, boom. Images like this I took. I edited a whole bunch of them, and then you upload them to different websites. For example, Getty Images, Shutterstock, Adobe, websites like that. You upload it, they get approved. Anytime somebody clicks on your image and downloads it, you get paid for it. If you get about 1,000 downloads a month, that's $400 to $500 a month you're making just in stock photography. Send the link to your friends, send the link to your family, post the link on your social media, and just tell people, go download this image, make me some money. It's passive income. While you sleep, people are literally downloading your images. It's all about quantity. The more work you put out there, the more stock photos you post on websites, the higher your chances go that people will find an image and download it. Plus, once your image gets more downloads, it's usually the first one to pop up. Your image has 1 million downloads, which is like insane, by the way. I'm just using it as an example. Your image is going to be one of the first ones to pop up, meaning it's going to get even more downloads. So all you have to do is get one image to be popular and you're pretty much set for a while. If you're the #1 rated image, people are just going to keep downloading it. People are always needing stock images for things. So take a bunch of stock photos, make sure they're good quality, and then upload them to every stock website you can think of. So conclusion, guys, start some of this today. Do not put it off. Don't say I'll do it tomorrow, and then tomorrow rolls around, I'll do it tomorrow. I'll do it when I get more money. Everything I talked about is pretty much free. You can start doing this stuff today, right now. And I encourage you to do it today, right now, because I put it off for a long time, and one day I woke up and I said, you know what, I'm sick of just sitting here and not finding any clients. Once I took that step, everything became a lot easier. I encourage you guys, start today. Don't put it off. Also, work hard and don't give up. Photography, especially freelance and videography, it's hard to make it. It's hard to find clients. It's hard to market yourself. So don't give up. Work hard. If you're actually passionate about this, go for it. Chase your dreams, all that great stuff. Alright guys, so I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. If you got anything from it, let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.